How to make money with Louis Vuitton affiliate program. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be discussing how you will be able to earn money with Louis Vuitton, and the most important thing, how you will be able to be accepted or get into an affiliate program with this company. Now, there is no platform or there is no website out there where you could simply open and log in and then register as an affiliate for Louis Vuitton. There is no such thing as an easy way like that. Now, this company is a very big company, like any company out there that is very known, and this is a brand. So they won't really just accept or let anyone just promote their product for free. Now, as you can see here, I have this article opened up which will explain how to be part of the Louis Vuitton affiliate program or how it would work. And we will start from the very beginning. What is affiliate marketing? Now, affiliate marketing is a very simple business process or a business model where you will be promoting a specific product. And then if your promotion is a success, some customer will buy that specific product and you will be able to earn some commission out of selling or promoting that product. Now, you could promote your product on any platform out there. You have YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You can even create your own websites that would promote that specific website or promote that specific product. You could use e-commerce, any social media platform or online platform. The method that you use is completely up to you. And it is the same process with Louis Vuitton's affiliate, wherein you will be promoting or you will be giving a review about your product, and you will have like a link, or the process will depend on how Louis Vuitton will approach you, but you will be promoting their item. And once you start earning, or once people starts buying that specific item that you have just promoted from the link, for example, let's use a link as an example, a unique link. Once they buy that, you'll be able to earn some commission through that purchase, either some 10%, 30%, depending on the contract. Now, how do you get affiliated or connected with Louis Vuitton? Now, like I mentioned earlier in this video, there is no website that you could actually apply or log in and sign up to. But the process is very straightforward. Now, the way you will be able to have an affiliate program with Louis Vuitton is to get noticed. Now, they are a very big platform or a very big company, so no one is actually able to just straight up talk to them and apply for it. So what you're going to do is what you're going to need to have, not rather than have to do, is to have an actual platform or background in any social media platform. You need to have an audience big enough for you to get noticed by companies like this Louis Vuitton. And it's not hard to, or rather, it's not easy to be able to achieve such platform, because you would need to have a very big or a very large channel to be noticed by Louis Vuitton. But unfortunately, that is the only way. You need to also have like a channel specifically dedicated to the category of which Louis Vuitton is located in. And let's scroll down over here, which is luxury fashion type. So if you have a channel that is well dedicated to fashion or luxury niche, you might get noticed by Louis Vuitton and you will be able to apply to their luxury fashion affiliate program. Now, the commission rate is of course confidential and disclosed upon approval. This is going to be between you and Louis Vuitton. The commission rate will depend, and the payment method of course will depend as well, and the payment frequency would be monthly. Now, unfortunately, for those who doesn't really have understanding or doesn't really have a content or people to watch you, an audience, you won't really get the attention of Louis Vuitton yet. And if you're wanting to promote something like this product, you won't be really eligible for the affiliate program yet, because they will be the one that approach you. Of course, you are free to promote a product. There is no stopping you from promoting a product, but you could do this, of course, without expecting yet for an affiliate program. You could promote their product and maybe, possibly, get noticed by Louis Vuitton, and they would invite you to their program, and you will be able to earn money by selling their product if you are already promoting their product. Now, assuming you have already or you've already been accepted to the affiliate program, I would assume that you are already aware or have the knowledge on how affiliate marketing or promoting a product would work. Because like I mentioned, you should be promoting or have this niche over here, which is fashion and luxury. And basically this niche is more on showing off or showing the product and explaining the reviews or giving your inputs towards a product. And that's basically that type of niche. So you would, or I would assume that you would already know how to promote, and you could do this in both YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Like I mentioned earlier, you could use any platform that you want. Now, if you're someone who isn't really, or someone new, but you want to pursue an affiliate program with Louis Vuitton or even other fashion type companies out there, you could start from the beginning, maybe let's say YouTube, and then you could promote, or you could talk about fashion and luxury niche. You could start from the bottom and build your audience slowly, and eventually you will be able to have a big enough audience for you to get noticed. And a good thing is you will also be able to earn money through YouTube because of all the views that you will be able to get if you are a successful YouTuber. You're not limited to YouTube. You could also do TikTok if you want. You could do Instagram, any platform of your choice, as long as your niche will be related to fashion and luxury. And that's basically it. Unfortunately, that is the only way for you to be able to be affiliated with Louis Vuitton. But that is how you will be able to earn, by promoting their products on the different platforms that are available right now in the internet. And don't get disheartened by the amount of audience that you need to have. Like I said, it is a big company. It's not a small company where you could simply just approach and promote, because small businesses are very willing to apply or give you some benefit from promoting their product. But unfortunately, Louis Vuitton is a very big company, so you would need to work hard for you to get noticed. Now, the good thing, like I mentioned earlier, is that once you are perfectly eligible, or once you are gaining the attention of these big time companies, other companies will approach you as well, and you will have more opportunities to start earning money. Aside from Louis Vuitton, you could have other companies like, let's say, Crocs. You could also promote their product, and the opportunity is there. I don't suggest that you use this affiliate as your main source of income, of course, because setting it up will take the longest time. But once you have it all set up, or if you already have the audience, the process will be very easy for you, and you will be able to get noticed by other companies as well. And so that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you find it helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.